Welcome everyone, this is Trend Trader here. I will be giving you a small portfolio update. Today we'll be looking at three shares. We started investing in Naspers around March 2020, but before we go that, let's first look at the legal stuff. This is the risk disclaimer. Basically what we're saying here, whatever ideas we share does not constitute financial advice. For any financial advice, please consult a certified financial advisor or certified financial planner. Everything that is shared here is just ideas and not financial advice. Okay, so let's go back and look at Naspers. So we first bought Naspers on the 2nd of April at around 2,595 rand. Naspers is one of the biggest shares in the GSE, and we've been holding that position since April up until the 7th of September, where we sold. We sold at this level. The price we sold at was 2,900, and that was 13% return on the position. However, we can't say we could have sold at around 3.3 or so. The trend is still up. As you can see, the price is still respecting the 200-day exponential moving average. We are also monitoring this position because this could be the potential area of fail. What we're looking to see here is whether the price will close up, let's say above 3,000, or the price will close below this 200-day exponential moving average. If the price close up, we will put another position, and our stop loss will be 1.5 ATR below this level. Otherwise, if the price close below the 200-day moving exponential average, then we won't be taking any position. But our buy from around 2.5 all the way to 2.9 gave us 13% return on this position. I need to tell you that our strategy includes that every time that the stock reaches 20%, we take 30% of the position. So every time if the price go up by 20% in our favor, we take 30% of the position. And 30% of this position was around 3,101, of which we did take that or close partial profit at 30%, and overall the position gave us an average return of about 20% if you take into consideration that yesterday it was up at 12% plus the 30% that we took. So that is the first update on the Naspers position. The second update is on Impala Platinum. As you can see, we first bought Impala Platinum on the 20th of May 2020. So we took the position at around 121 rands. So the reason why we took that position, as you can see, before the coronavirus hit the GSE, Impala was trending up nicely, and then it started to fall when the news came, or I think that's when they reported the first case in South Africa. So the share price started to fall. It fell from the 50-day moving average all the way to the 200-day moving average, and then eventually it closed all the way down. We had a position all the way going back from November 2018. We first bought it around 20 rand. We held the position all the way up to 170, and we sold that batch when the price hit 150, when it was just below the 50-day moving average. So from 150 all the way down, we didn't have a position, and back from 50 rand all the way up, we didn't have a position. We were waiting for the price to close above the 200-day moving average, of which it did around 105. But at that time, we didn't take a position for whatsoever reason. Maybe we were too busy with other stuff. So there was volatility contraction around this level, the 200-day moving average, and then the price closed above the 200-day moving average again. And then as it reached this previous swing high, we took the position exactly at around 121 Rand per share. And then the price consolidated a bit until it first cracked. It closed above the previous buy position. Since then, the share price is up 33% from our buy level at 121, and yesterday closing price was 163 Rand per share. And one of our biggest winner, which is up about 105%, and we can say that we are proud of this position because it brought together our strategy and our risk management in place. So this is Sibanye-Stillwater. Like every other share on the GSE, it fell during the coronavirus outbreak in South Africa, and then it came back. But with this stock, we didn't make the mistake that we did with Impala. So as soon as it closed above the 200-day moving exponential average, then we took our first position. So that was around 27 Rand 36 cent, and we took the position on the 8th of April, and we've been holding that position ever since then. So we don't necessarily have target profits or profit target. What we always have is stop loss level. So this is just an illustration. We put this so that we can see where our stop loss is. But on this position, we bought at 26 Rand. We had our stop loss at around 21 Rand 60. Every time we take a stop level, we calculate it using the entry price and the volatility at that period. As you can see, the volatility was around 273 per share at that time. So we took this position as the price closed above the 200-day moving average, and we hold. Well, we can't say it moved fast because yes, it went up a bit quicker. We took our 20% position or 30% position as soon as the stock price reached 30%, but then it came back, it retraced back to the 50-day moving average. It it retested the 50-day moving average twice at this date around the 22nd of May, and then again on the 15th of June. Thereafter, it started to trend all the way up. If we were to use this illustration that we had set when we made the first buy, you can see that around 50 Rand per share, the price was already 83% up, and then started to consolidate a bit. As you can see, the price at this level, it was far away from the 50-day moving average. It consolidated a bit until it came back closer to the 50-day moving average, and then as you can see here, it started to close up again. I guess there was some buying pressure. So the closing price on the 7th of September 2020 was 55 Rand 73 cent per share, which means that the current position is up by at least 105%. Some share prices go all the way, some share prices they just consolidate all the time. So what we're trying to say, you will win some, you will lose some. What you have to do as a trader or as an investor is to always manage your risk. And that's it. Thank you for coming to this update. We'll keep on updating you on all the other positions that you've had, the recommendations, sorry, not the recommendations, the ideas that you have shared on our website, the Trend Trader. You can find the link on the YouTube channel. We have this blog where we publish weekly market analysis. We also have a Twitter account which is also there on our YouTube channel, and we have our YouTube channel. We still have a private member group on Facebook where we share all our blogs, but the very same market analysis that we share on this blog is the one that we share with our private group. We haven't activated the premium membership as yet because we still want to build our credibility to show that we can analyze the market, we take the position using our real money, and then we follow the market. As you can see on this Excel, all these positions are the positions that we take whenever we make an idea, whenever we share an idea with our followers. We buy that, we put our money where our mouth is. As you can see, this is the Naspers position that we bought in April, and then this is the Sibanye-Stillwater that we bought again in April, and then the last one was Impala Platinum, which we bought in May. All of them, they have the price update, yesterday price update, the 163, 55 and 2.9, but we've closed this position at 2.9. All the other positions that don't have the exit date are still open. We still have those positions. So yeah, we like to maintain our credibility. We like to put our money where our mouth is, because that's the only way to make money in the stock market. For you to make money, you have to participate. Thank you for coming to our weekly update.